All right, Chemical Guys family, we were just done with the car wash. Now it's time to spice up the detailing. But we only have 5 minutes to spice up the detail on this Mazda. So we are going to be going over 3 different types of products you can be using after a wash to enhance shine and protection. First product is going to be Blazing Banana Spray Wax. Now this is just going to enhance more shine and more protection. So all you need to do is get a clean microfiber towel. You could go to the surface of your area. Lucky for you, you could use this on like chrome dip plastics, you can use it on glass, you can use it on paint, wheels, whatever might need protection or more shine. Simply spray directly onto the surface, spray it onto a towel, and you want to glide it directly side to side. Now, by doing this to your paint, you're going to enhance a showroom finish, whether your car is blue, black, gray, and it's going to leave a deeper, wet look. So for anybody that has ever applied like our butter wet wax, you guys know how easy and fun it is to use. You can simply just go directly to the surface of the vehicle, spray down your car, and wipe it clean. Now, I personally like doing this after any type of detail or a car wash, just because this is going to give me an extra shine and extra protection, especially if I'm going out for the weekend and I want my car to look its best. By using Blazing Banana, it's going to step up my detailing even more. But like I mentioned to you guys can also go to like your headlights, your chrome dip plastics, spray directly onto the surface and just wipe it clean. By doing this, we are going to ensure we're adding depth and clarity to all these components around the whole entire vehicle. But I only have 5 minutes to do the whole entire car, so let me just step aside, clean up the whole entire car, and I'll get back to you guys to go over product number 2, which is going to be Tire Kicker. So now that we just finished up with Blazing Banana Spray Wax, our paint, our headlights, our glass, they look fantastic. But here at the Chemical Guys Car Wash, if you do go at level 3 and level 4, you will be getting tire shine. But if you do go to like a coin op or wherever you wash your car, I always recommend adding some type of shine to your tires. So like this, your tires look fantastic whenever it's driving down the road. Now that product I'll be using today is going to be Tire Kicker. It's a water-based dressing. So here in California, we don't get a lot of water. So what ends up happening, it won't run off or won't fade over time. If you do live in a state where it gets like snow, you get constant water and your tires are always touching the water, I recommend going with the oil-based dressing. But this water-based dressing, you could apply like on your vinyl, your rubber, your plastic pieces to enhance shine and protection. And it's super easy to use. One, you can spray directly onto a tire, or you can spray it directly onto an applicator, and then you just go to your tire and you want to massage it in. Now, just by doing this little small touch-up to your tires, it's going to make your car wash elevate itself and make it look a lot better, because like your tires are going to be shining, you're going to be shining, and like this, whenever you're going down the highway, that person next to you is going to be saying, where did he get his car wash? You just rub it side to side. Now if you do have faded trims, you could also do this like on plastic. These trims are fairly brand new, so we don't need to apply it on here. But if you want to add more shine and protection, simply get an applicator and rub it on here. In this occasion, we're gonna skip over this just because the trims don't need that much love, and Blazing Banana did an amazing job at adding some type of protection to it, even though it's very minor. In the future, I might use Hydro Shield on here to protect it, but today our main focus is going to be these tires. And last but not least, we need to touch up the interior. Of course, the exterior looks fantastic, but whenever you have a car, obviously here at the Chemical Guys Car Wash, we do have complimentary vacuums and blowers, so make sure you vacuum out your car. But for the most part, for like your dashboard, your center console, you still want to protect it or even just remove light layer of dust. I got the perfect product, and that is going to be Total Interior. Now, Total Interior is super easy. It's our fan favorite product. This product is fantastic. You simply spray directly onto a microfiber towel. Then you go to any component of your car, whether it's a navigation screen, it could be a steering wheel, it could be vinyl, it could be plastic, it could be even non-tinted glass. Simply spray directly onto the towel and wipe the surface clean. And just like that, you are going to clean up your interior. Like, we're short on time, so you guys need to keep this in mind. This is just going to be, obviously here at the Chemical Guys Car Wash, you only had 5 minutes to do this, and these are the 3 products you must do around the surface of your car to enhance more shine and protection. But let me just lightly wipe down this interior, and then I'll show you guys the finished results. And just like that, we enhance the shine on the paint, we clean up the interior, and of course we add tire shine using 2 different products. This car looks fantastic. You can find these products on chemicalguys.com or a local detail garage. As always, I'm Henry, and we'll see you guys next time. And by the way, the car wash address is going to be in the description down below. Make sure to visit us, tag us on our stories for a chance to be featured on our page.